amazing beef food around the world. Welcome, food lovers! Today, we're exploring some of the most amazing beef dishes that showcase rich flavors, mouth-watering textures, and irresistible presentations. If you're a fan of delicious meat dishes, you're in for a treat. Let's begin this tasty journey. As we start, take a look at this perfectly cooked beef brisket. Slow-cooked until tender and juicy, every slice reveals beautiful layers of meat that look absolutely irresistible. Next, we have a stunning beef platter served hot and fresh. The glossy sauce, vibrant garnishes, and rich aroma make this dish impossible to ignore. Here comes another incredible beef creation. Tender chunks of beef coated in a flavorful sauce, carefully prepared to deliver the perfect balance of savory goodness in every bite. Now, let's enjoy these delicious beef strips. Cooked to perfection and packed with flavor, they offer a satisfying combination of tenderness and rich beef taste. Take a look at this elegant beef carpaccio. Thinly sliced beef presented beautifully, creating a dish that is both simple and sophisticated. Moving on, we have a hearty ground beef specialty. Rich, flavorful, and comforting, this dish highlights how versatile beef can be in creating unforgettable meals. And here comes one of the most popular dishes among beef lovers, Mongolian beef. Tender beef coated in a glossy sauce, topped with fresh herbs and seasonings that make every bite incredibly satisfying. Another variation of Mongolian beef follows, featuring rich textures, bold flavors, and a mouth-watering appearance that instantly captures attention. Just look at the steam rising from these freshly prepared dishes. The combination of juicy beef, savory sauce, and aromatic spices creates a truly irresistible experience. From slow-cooked brisket to flavorful Mongolian beef, these amazing dishes demonstrate why beef remains one of the world's most loved ingredients. Every plate tells a story of craftsmanship, flavor, and culinary passion. Whether you prefer tender brisket, savory beef strips, elegant carpaccio, or rich Mongolian beef, there's something here for every meat lover. Which dish would you choose first? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more amazing food videos from around the world. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next delicious adventure.